What a beautiful day to drive, especially in this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT with white exterior, gray interior, seating for 3 with 2 doors. It has a 3.3-liter PFDI V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Desirable features include pre-collision assist, class 4 trailer hitch, remote keyless entry, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle or would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website islandford.ca. We'd be so happy to have you here. Now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 3.3-liter PFDI V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors, a grab handle in the body. Your driver's seat is manual with manual lumbar. All weather mats on the floor, your electronic park and brake and light controls. Sliding into the vehicle. To start it, just put the keys in. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touchscreen with your 4-pass connect system with AM/FM satellite radio, Bluetooth and other functions, and we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. Just above it, your auto start, hazard light and traction control. Below, your volume and tuner media controls, your 4x4 modes, climate control system with air conditioning, defrost and other functions, a little bit of room for storage below, and USB charging ports, 2 cup holders and a console with storage below, and that can be folded up to become a third seat on the first row with extra room for storage. A 12-volt outlet, 2 glove compartments, your sun visors and light controls. 17-inch wheels, black door handles, keyless entry pad, capless easy fuel filler on the driver's side, headache rack with integrated signal and clearance light, and in the rear, your backup camera would be above the Ford badging. Your box is 6 foot long, trailer tow hitch, and the step make it easy to access the cargo bed. To open your tailgate, just grab the handle and pull it down. Here you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners. And when you're done, just lift your door up and close it, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Backup camera in the rear, a headache rack, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights and fog lights, tow hooks, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at islandford.ca. We have plenty to show you, and we'd love to hear your comments.